Can Chatgpt make me rich in 2023? Chatgpt is a computer program that utilizes artificial intelligence to answer questions and provide information on a wide range of topics. While it can be a useful tool for tasks such as building apps and websites, generating written content, and creating images, it's important to understand its limitations and be aware of potential pitfalls. One potential use for Chatgpt is in the creation of apps and websites. By providing code and information on how to build these types of programs, Chatgpt can be a valuable resource for those looking to learn how to code and potentially even create and sell their own apps or games. However, it's important to note that the information provided by Chatgpt may not always be accurate and should be fact-checked before use. In addition to its usefulness for building apps and websites, Chatgpt can also be used to generate written content quickly and effectively by scraping the internet for the best information. However, it's important to be aware that the information provided by Chatgpt may not always be accurate and should be fact-checked before use. Chatgpt can also be used to generate images with the help of basic Photoshop skills. While the market for AI-generated images is becoming saturated, Chatgpt could potentially be used to speed up the process of creating unique content. As AI technology continues to advance, it's possible that we may even see the creation of photorealistic images of anything imaginable using this technology. Despite the benefits of using Chatgpt, there are also some downsides to consider. One limitation is that Chatgpt's knowledge is based on information from late 2021, so it does not have access to more recent information. Additionally, the information provided by Chatgpt is not always factually accurate and may contain coding issues, as noted by the website Stack Overflow. In addition, Chatgpt may provide generic or regurgitated information, as it is only able to draw from a limited pool of data. Finally, Chatgpt is unable to form and share experiences, which can be an important aspect of communication and understanding. Overall, Chatgpt is a powerful tool that has the potential to be used in a variety of ways. However, it's important to understand its limitations and to use it responsibly in order to get the most benefit from it. Certainly. Here are some additional ways in which Chatgpt and artificial intelligence technology can be used. One potential use for Chatgpt is in customer service. By providing quick and accurate responses to customer inquiries, Chatgpt could help businesses improve their service and save time and resources. However, it's important to note that Chatgpt is not able to provide personalized or empathetic responses, which may be important in certain customer service scenarios. Another potential use for Chatgpt is in education. By providing answers and information on a variety of topics, Chatgpt could potentially be used as a resource for students and educators. However, it's important to remember that Chatgpt is only as reliable as the information it has access to, so it's still important for students and educators to verify the accuracy of the information provided. As AI technology continues to advance, we may see Chatgpt and other AI programs being used in even more innovative and diverse ways. For example, Chatgpt could potentially be used in the healthcare industry to diagnose and treat patients, or in the financial industry to analyze and make investment decisions. However, it's important to remember the limitations of these programs and to use them responsibly. It's also important to consider the ethical implications of AI and to ensure that its use is fair and benefits society as a whole. Overall, Chatgpt and other AI programs have the potential to revolutionize a variety of industries and make tasks more efficient and effective. However, it's important to use these tools responsibly and to be aware of their limitations in order to maximize their benefits. As a language model, Chatgpt is capable of generating text based on the input it receives. Some other potential uses for Chatgpt could include generating content for social media posts, generating descriptions for products or services, or generating ideas for creative projects. Chatgpt could also potentially be used in the translation of languages, although the accuracy of the translations may vary depending on the complexity of the language and the context in which it is used. It's important to note that Chatgpt is only able to perform tasks that are within its capabilities as a language model. It is not able to perform tasks that require physical manipulation or processing of data in a way that is beyond the scope of text generation. If you're interested in learning more about Chatgpt and artificial intelligence, consider checking out the class linked in the description. This class will help you master the use of Chatgpt and further your understanding of AI technology.